Yeah, 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 that's what it is. That's what it is. Y'all see where it's sitting when I'm riding up here? Never ever had this truck been right there. So that's why I was questionable on, keeping this truck, because I was thinking about buying a newer truck. But I really don't want to tow 3 cars because you got to drive too slow. You don't, but I mean, I don't plan on buying another truck, man. $10,000+ This truck run great. It's just ugly. So I'm just thinking about downgrading the trailer because I ain't doing this no more. If we move again, I'm paying $1,000 a car because I missed out on a lot of money because I couldn't record the cars, I couldn't play with the cars or nothing. So next time I'll just pay. I ain't doing this no more. But the 2 car and the 1 car, it should be enough. The 3 car, man, it's a bit excessive, man. You can't. It's hard to get fuel. The truck is gas, so it's hard to get fuel with it. It's hard to find parts, as y'all seen when I'm trying to get services for it. I mean, I want to keep it, but I cannot do nothing with this trailer but cars. I want a trailer like a flat one, like I got, but a 2 car, so I could do whatever I want, like cars, freight if I choose to do that, some quick money type stuff. But I can only do cars, strictly cars with this trailer. All right, man, I showed y'all, and yeah, it's getting worse. I went about 4 or 5 minutes, and like I said, it never went down. It just kept going up, and then boom. Engine coolant's hot. It was saying engine overheat. I just poured over. So what I'm gonna do, let it cool off, and then it's like the only hard thing, not even hard, but the only thing I got that I can stick in the fan clutch, because I just looked under there. And for those who don't know, when your water pump get hot, it makes the fan clutch stiff. And if the fan clutch don't get stiff, it's not gonna blow air fast enough, hard enough towards the radiator to make the fluid cold. So basically I'm recycling hot coolant back into the engine, which making it hotter. So that's what I think it is. That's what happens usually. Like when your coolant never go down, that's usually what the issue is. Could be the radiator, but the reason why I say that is when I came here and I was coming up here, it went up, but it went back down, but I was empty. So I was like, ain't no happening. All right, good, whatever. But that will make perfect sense. That or the radiator, one of the two. But it moved freely with the car off. I'm about to start it in a minute just to make sure. It's an AutoZone 20 minutes away. Call AutoZone, give me some channel locks and some vice grips, and I can change it right here. Then shoot, we hope for the best. If not, I'm stranded, boy. I want to say it, my stomach just dropped too. Alright, it just cooled off enough for me to start the thing. So let me see. I hope that's what it is, just the fan clutch. Alright, it's kind of cool. Still on the hot side. Let's see. Yeah, 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 that's what it is. That's what it is. Yes. Yes! That's what it is. That's what it is. Bro, that's exciting. Look, why to my, well, what if it ain't them? Like, I know how to diagnose this stuff. That's what it is. But I was pretty sure that's what it is, but without testing it. So that thing passed halfway. So now I'm about to call this AutoZone. I'm gonna take the blue box Chevy off, man. I ain't got no insurance, I ain't got no current tags, but ain't no Uber around here. We in the middle of nowhere, so hopefully I don't get pulled over. If I do, I'm like, hey, my truck just broke down. It's at blah, blah, blah. But I'm about to call this AutoZone, see if they got what I need. And then, shoot, we about to...
What's up, fam?
I'm stranded.
Where you at?
Oh, shit, I'm showing you the wrong side.
Boy, you on the ramp.
Well, I'm stranded.
Where you at?
Marshall, Missouri. Hey, guess what it is though?
What?
My fan clutch went bad.
Marshall, Missouri.
I'm about to take a. Huh?
I'll see how far Brown stay from there.
Boy, I ain't about to wait on nobody. I'm about to take a car off the trailer and go to the store.
Alright.
And so, look, let me tell y'all. It's going smooth, but still, this is like out of my way. I'm in McDonald's getting some food. So, better go back to the truck. And another thing is when you are stuck on the side of the highway, or your car stuck on the side of the highway, people would get off the exit just to come look at your stuff and attempt to break in and all kind of stuff, man. So I hid, I covered up all my stuff. Just pray nobody try to do nothing suspicious. Police come, put a sticker on your window. Now you can't see out of it because you ain't got nothing to scrape it off. All kind of stupid stuff, man. But just gonna get this changed out. We're gonna keep rolling, man. Don't look like I'm gonna make it home tonight. Maybe in the day. But now that problem is gonna be fixed. I put my feet in it. But let me go ahead and eat and go back to my truck, man. I got the pieces. I'm back at the truck. Still a little look over. Everything look alright. All I was thinking, man, somebody gonna come and snatch the Chevelle. I took the key out. I disconnected the battery. That weird white ring I showed y'all. I get y'all out. Man, shit. People crazy, man. Alright, so how that tool works is probably y'all probably can see it. It used the pump. It used the bolts for the pulley to attach to, which I ain't know. And it's a pain in the ass to get on. So y'all, if this ever happened to y'all, get a ratchet wrench. I'm always speaking ratchet wrench. I'm about to start bringing it with me anytime I get on the road, because this just took so long to get these in there. Started by hand though, so I might be able to get it by hand. But once you get it on, I just broke it loose in literally like 1 second. And then I'm gonna unscrew that. Hopefully I can get the fan clutch off without removing all this. If I have to, I will. I ain't trying to scratch or damage nothing up, but now it's going quick now that I did that. All right, cut y'all back on in a second. So I hope I ain't gotta take all this stuff off. Alright. I had to change, put my dirty coat on. I had to change, put my dirty coat on, but the new fan shroud is on. Y'all can see it in that shiny. All while I was changing this for over an hour, which should have took an hour. Not a single car came off this exit. Like, man, I'm really in the sticks right now. But I'm about to start it. And then let it run for about 5 minutes. And then that thing rubbing on something. Fix that. Hell no. It's strong. I think it's fixed. Let me grab this other piece. Nah, man. Look. I don't know if it warmed enough or what. I'm gonna give it a minute. There you go. Soon as I cut y'all off, you can hear it activate, like kick on, like blowing, like y'all see the difference? Probably not. I can feel the difference in everything. Might be fixed. I'd say it's fixed. But I'm gonna let it keep running. 210. Like I said, it ain't never go down till I cut the car off. So I'm gonna let it run. What's up, y'all? This is the end to the video. So let me tell y'all, man, I was just so mad because it stopped. As soon as it got dark, started again, worse. Talking about coolant coming out, stuff, hoses getting fat. I was like, oh man, this is about to be bad. But I checked my engine oil. I was like, all right, my head gas ain't blown. Whatever it is, I can fix it. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get a water pump, thermostat, radiator, and all the gaskets and seals for it. Right, boom. The next day, the store opened at 7:30. I was at the store at 7:30 something. They said, oh, we only got a thermostat. I was like, dang, well, just give me that thermostat, coolant. And I went to Walmart and got 12 gallons of water. Luckily, I put that thermostat right in because the closest store was an hour and 20 minutes. Back to the truck was 20 minutes. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just drive this 20 minutes, put the thermostat on and see what it do. Put the thermostat in, filled it up with water. I didn't use the coolant. Cause I decided like as soon as I get back, I'm gonna do a flush. Put the coolant, put the water in there, man. Running fine. I did a side test on the road because I didn't want to keep getting on the highway, breaking down. Had to stop on the side of the highway, and yeah. But man, I had to sleep on the side of the highway. I'm steady waking up. I'm like, oh, I wish I was at a truck stop, a gas station, or something. I just stopped recording because like it was more so I don't know how I'm gonna get to work because I had to go to work. That was yesterday when I came home. I had to go to work today. And I was like, man, I don't know how I'm gonna get to work. Shout out to DJ's Audio. I hear him. Box Shea World, man. He kept checking on me too. He like, hey, cause we be doing the raffles, man, for the dashes. Y'all don't know that though. I'm the man behind the raffles. I'll be shipping them straight to y'all. But he kept hitting me like, man, you alright? You alright? Cause he was waiting on me to get back to start the raffle. So I'm like, yeah, man. I'll let you know when I get back rolling officially. Kept checking on me. You alright? You good? You made it? It's rolling. How the truck doing? I'm like, man, this man 100. They ain't never even seen me, but he 100. That's crazy. And I got people literally an hour away not answering the phone, but we ain't gonna talk about that. I got home. Truck was alright. Trailer did phenomenal. Trailer did great. It's gonna need some brakes soon. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna need some brakes soon. Other than that, man, the blue box Chevy, the chain came loose in the back, smacked the gas tank. So I gotta replace the gas tank. I got two of them, two of the stock style gas tanks. And then shoot, other than that, man, I guess we'll start creating more content soon and give y'all a date because I'm trying to touch Shut Up and Turbo right after J Malcolm show, and then I'm still got orders and stuff. Like my dump, I ain't really working on, like, y'all be wanting to see that stuff. I mean, I'm trying to build a business and brand and stuff before I even be like working on my stuff. Like, my stuff ain't important, you know, it's fun for me and stuff like that, but it don't bring money for real. Like, I got stuff I'm trying to do, and that's just, you know, in my spare time, extra spare time. It's just not right now. So y'all see it'll come eventually, but just not right now. Just not as fast as y'all like be wanting it to come. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned. Other than that, y'all stay tuned, man. SES, I'm out.